My name is Pauline, and my proposal for the research is understanding human behavior via help of search engine. Every human being has a quest for search. With digitization and easy availability of internet, everyone access their query over the search engine. We turn to our search browsers for everything, no matter how big or small the quest is. At times, the search engine gives us relevant results and sometimes irrelevant results. Thus, fields like information search and information retrieval interest researchers. So the question is how web search engine can be used to understand human behavior and generate mood-specific results. My reason to choose this field as the search topic are as follows. It will help improve our search methodologies and thus help save time over internet, create innovative technologies to improve human-computer interaction, enhance the field of information search and retrieval, research foresight and goals. While performing search over the internet, it is often found that the search engine is ineffective and time-consuming. We are not able to find what we are looking for. Web search engine fails to understand human quest. Our goal will include the need to develop an application that comprehends human, has human perspective, a tool that makes it easier for humans to navigate over the search browser, and also create computers that think like humans. This research will just make a slight improvement in the direction through the application to be developed. Previous work shows improvement in web search behavior and users through cognitive style research done by Riding and Kinley. Temporal patterns have been studied by Rudinsky to improve the search behavior. Also, Fisher's study the user modeling has helped in finding relation between humans and computers. Still there is a vast scope of improvement in web search patterns and human behavior. Various methodologies and techniques used for research. First, cognitive style. Cognitive style can be defined as an individual's preferred and habitual approach to organize and represent information. This cognitive style will form the base of the research. User cognitive style influences their information search strategies, query reformation behavior, web navigation style, and also information processing approach. Two dimensions of cognitive style mentioned are holist analytic dimension, verbal and imagery dimension. Also in the picture, intermediate, which holds characteristics from both holist and analytic dimensions. Bimodal also similarly holds characteristics from both verbal and imagery personalities. Second methodology or technique is temporal model. This pattern searches over time, as explained by Rudinsky. Dynamic model learning or DML considers numerous factors for selection ranging over a period of time for fulfilling any quest. Query auto-suggestion or QAS. This model helps to complete search queries with preference or reference to time. Third methodology or technique, user modeling. User modeling is derived by the need and desire to provide better support for human computer interaction as proposed by Fisher. User modeling has two different approaches, emulation approach and complementary approach. Emulation approach is based on metaphor, which collaborates between human and computers by enduring human likability. Complementary approach is based on the fact that computers are not human. Research aim and question. Through this research, we need to develop an application that understands human behavior. The application should perform query search efficiently and effectively. The application to be developed should also connect search engine and human behavior through cloud platform. Research design. Research design will have information about study participant, search task, query reformulation taxonomy, data collection procedure, and data analysis. We'll see each point separately. The sample size of the participants for the research will be in between 50 to 100, would comprise of males and females, and also they would range between the age group of 20 to 40. The search task in hand will be defined as simple, hierarchical, or a combination of both. It will include factual information, information that needs to be explained, or abstract information. Query formulation taxonomy, information that would be used as query would be recorded as new, add, replace, remove, repeat in a table format for simple analysis. Data collection. Cognitive style analysis tests would be used for the research. Procedure. The complete process of the research or the cognitive style analysis test will be explained to the participant before attempting the search tasks. There will be a time limit for the tasks which would not be mentioned to the participants. Data analysis. A thorough quantitative and qualitative analysis will be used to derive the result for the research. Thank you. This presentation video has been prepared for the purpose of study at NCI, National College of Ireland. Any queries should be mailed to pauline.kerketa@ncirl.ie.